Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enter for the pairing mode on your Marshall Minor 3. So first of all, you need to input the left and the right earbud inside this charging case, then open this cover, and right now we have to click and hold this button until indicator turns blue. And indicator appears right here. So let's click and hold this button and take a look for the indicator. As you can see right now, it is blinking. It means that we are in the pairing mode, so we have to keep that case open. Then on your phone you can just simply go to the pairing new device. In my case, I already have this notification, but if you have older device, you have to go manually to the pairing devices, select Minor 3 from the list, accept the pairing, and after a few seconds we will be successfully connected. As you can see right now, everything works. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.